Okay guys, welcome to the next tutorial. So right now I open my Jvdriod. So when you open your Jvdriod, this is the screen you're going to get. So it will give you a basic main.java file which has a class and the entry point, which is the static void main function, the method, sorry. So I'm just going to go through all the features that you can find on Jvdriod. So at first, at the top corner you see this hamburger menu, this menu icon. When you click on that, it will show you the first section shows you the main.java, the file name of your file. It shows you the line which you're currently at. So I'm currently on line 3, so that's correct. I'm on line 3 right there. So it shows you the line offsets, the character offsets. Then the next below this we have the get premium. This I'm using the free version. So if you are using the if you have some money, you can get the premium version. It's actually worth the money. So this is the interpreter. Uses jShell. So it takes a little some seconds to load up, and it's up. So right here on the interpreter is kind of a way to test out your Java statements real quick. So let me just say for example I have int a. Let's say I have a is equal to 10. Okay, let's say I have something like int a equal to 10. So as you can see right now, there was no trailing semicolon on my statement. So that means you can actually omit the semicolon on your statement. So once I if I want to print this on the screen, I don't need to write system.out.println. I just tap on A. I just tap on A and press enter, and it will give me the value of A. So I can also say A. I can use the operations here. A plus 10, that will give it 20. I can use A minus 10. A minus 10. Okay. Yes, that's A is 10 and 10 minus 10 gives you 0. So you can actually test stuff real quick here. So maybe if you don't understand what's happening at the back end or the background, so you can just come here and maybe debug your code or check what's happening. So this is kind of a very cool feature. It's based on jShell. It's interpreted. All the statements you enter in here will be interpreted for you fast. So let me go back. Click on the tab, the home icon, and then here is a terminal which is baked into Jvdriod. So this terminal works just like Termux. It works like Unix. So you can use Unix commands here or Linux commands. So let's say for example you can list all you can print the working directory by using pwd and enter. So I'm currently on storage emulator 0. You can clear screen. You can ls to list the current directory. So as you can see, these are all the directories on my phone right now. So let me clear that. So the good thing about using this code board, by the way, I'm using a keyboard known as code board, so you can go on Play Store to get this. So I actually like this. I prefer this to the hacker's keyboard, so it gives me a lot of keys. So as you can see, it has this up and down button which I can use to go back and up. So I can just clear that, something like that. So this is the keyboard right here. Let me show you. This is a code board right there. So you can just go to Play Store and get this. It has lots of features and customizations. So let me go back. So right here, I'm going to show you a couple of commands. So I've done the ls to list the working directory. So you can just click on make dir to create a folder. So I just named this Jvdriod 2, okay, and then I'll cd into Jvdriod. So just if you get the first alphabet, you can just hit tab to autocomplete it. Let's say Java. It should autocomplete. Okay, there are lots of Java stuff there. So Java folders, there are like 2 there. So let me see. When you hit the tab, it's autocomplete. It's just like your command line. So hit enter. So you can see I'm currently on Jvdriod, the directory. So another thing I can do here is just say I can create a file. Maybe just say touch, use the command touch and say app.java and tap that over, then LOS to see the this thing. So I have app.java right there. and I can go back one level up, so say cd dot dot, and I'm back to my root folder, which is emulated storage emulated 0. So that's all for this. There are lots of functionalities on this terminal, so you can do lots of stuff with this. So you can also check the Java version by saying java dash version version version. So this code board, the keys are actually small, so you have to be extra careful when you are typing and punching those keys. So as you can see, it uses OpenJDK version 11.0, 1.0 internal 2021 0119. So it's running on 64-bit server VM, that's virtual machine. So I can just clear all of this out. So clear. So I think that should be that for the terminal. So let me go back. I'll click on that. So you can share your code. You can share your code to WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever. So if you just get all your code and pre-format it for you, then you can just send it over to someone. Maybe if you want someone to review your codes or something like that. So there are lots of options here. Or you can also copy it. Next, you can send this code to Pastebin. You can send this code to Pastebin. So if I click on this, it will take this code which I have and then send it over to Pastebin and then give you the link. Let me see, your code will be available on Pastebin by direct link only. Yeah, so you can just go ahead and click yes, but I don't want this for now. So you see there are lots of features here. So there are a couple of samples here. So you have kind of a sample, the basics, Java basics. They can just play around with. You have the hello world, text input functions, for loop, while loop, for each, big numbers, arrays, and a lot of stuff. Also, this one of the cool things about this app. You can actually use this app to develop for Kotlin, for Scala, and for Clojure. These are all Java implementations. So you can use this to run all of these. So also, it has lots of built-in libraries. So you have Google Guava, you have JSON for serializing JSON, Java to JSON. We have JSoup, just like Beautiful Soup on in Python, for web scraping and traversing the DOM on HTML documents. So I think that should be all. Then we have the settings area. We have settings. You can go to the editor. You can allow keyboard suggestions. You can use the button bar. If you don't like that button, that's this bar right here, this button bar, this one right here, this scrollable one, you can disable it by going over here and go to settings and then editor, and then you can tick this off. But I actually like that. So there are lots of this. You can look at the appearance. This is a dark theme here, so you can actually change that over here. You can change the font size, the editor theme dark, all those stuff. And then one thing I would like to do, go to about and Lego, and then turn off this allow data collection. So it kind of tracks your data and gives you some ads, and it scraps your data from the background. So just leave that off if you care about your data or something like that. So to systems, you have some other stuff here. So allows you compile programs. So don't leave that as it is. So there are also a couple of options down below for terminal. So on terminal, you can select your terminal. So let me see the terminal type right here. So you can go for Linux, screen 256 xterm. So whatever which one suits you. But don't tamper with anything here right here. These settings are actually nice. It's okay to start with. So the next thing is let's say you want to create a new file. So using your code board, just type control N. Okay, this doesn't work. So to create a new file, just tap the above and create new, play the plus new. So it will create a fresh Java file for you. You can save that using save as, and to ask for the directory. So I have a directory here. So let me just select folder. So I'll just edit this and name it something like, let's say tools.java, and then save that. So once I have that, so maybe if I make a change right here, so let me say I say int a is equal to 10, and then if I click on Control S, it will save that automatically for me. So that is one of the advantages of using code board. So also it has a kind of a code formatter. So let's say for instance you don't format your code, or maybe this code is actually not on the right, it's not indented. So just click on this icon next to the file, the folder, sorry. Tap on that and then click on format code to automatically format the code for you. But it doesn't add trailing semicolon if you don't have your semicolon on your statement. So you have to manually add that. So there's also a couple of stuff here. You can run your code by using this yellow button above my keyboard. So just tap on that and it will compile your Java program and then run that. So as you can see, there are a couple of features. You can undo, you can redo, you can search, you can go to line. There are lots of stuff you can do with this app. So you can tab over. I'm using mine, press my tab. You can tab over, and then you can use this button bar to insert all these symbols real quick. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I would like you to subscribe if you actually like these videos. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, so because there will be lots of these coming in. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.